Idiots in cars. Make sure you fasten your seatbelt, because I got another good one. Because we got this guy who decides to stop right in front of an ambulance for some reason. I'm a little confused on this because why is the ambulance on that side of the road and then merges over back into his lane? I don't understand. Driving like you're the only one on the road. That was the worst execution.
Bus driver horse. Bro, what the fuck?
What? Hey, you got something blocking your windshield. How? Driving in Atlanta be like. No straps, no problem. Is that a mattress? Idiots in cars. Make sure you fasten your